Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Today is going to be different than you'd imagine in the middle of the summer. We've got a cold front coming in, and that means things are cloudier and cooler, also wet on the coastline. Take a look out over Eugene. We are gray out here. Not as much of a chance of rainfall in the inland areas, but there is a slight chance, just traces of potential rain for this morning. So you might see a couple sprinkles, but mostly just a dry day ahead here with gray sort of clearing into the afternoon. The late afternoon will show some sunshine, but before that, we've got a whole lot more of this gray to be dealing with. So here's the position of our current cold front. This is the weather maker for today. If we didn't have this here, basically today would look a lot like yesterday did. There'd be a little bit of cloud coverage, but still mostly sunny. But cold front's coming on through, and what that does is drag clouds in front of the cold front, and then behind it, there's a different type of cloud activity. So essentially, as that thing moves by, we've just got all kinds of different clouds, the first of which are the low clouds we're seeing right now, and those are even bringing visibility down out on the coast because of just how thick they are. Inland, I don't think that's going to be a problem, but we are certainly seeing visibility still dropping out over the coast right now. Newport is down from 3 miles to 2 miles in just the last 20 minutes. Florence looks a little bit better. And judging on the shape of the plume, the northern coast is the least visible area right now, but our sensors are down in North Bend, so I can't tell you at the moment. However, with the direction of this cold front, the northern coast is basically the most affected by everything, so that would make sense. Moving into the stormcast here, basically the whole morning just has clouds overhead and these slight chances for rainfall along the coast. 7 a.m., we actually get a little bit of a chance inland as well. That's just that slight trace chance. 8 o'clock, it still sticks around, but the chance actually gets heavier towards Coos Bay. And then things break down and get a little bit less likely towards 10 a.m., but there's still some potential rain out there. Moving from 10 into 12:30, now we're watching clearing starting in those clouds as well. Still chances for some showers, but the inland area is seeing a little sunshine at this point. Then by 3 o'clock, we're mostly sunny. 4:30, basically sunny everywhere except for out over Lebanon. And we do have a not cloudy start to tomorrow likely. Now moving into the 7-day forecast, we are still going to see clouds in the afternoon tomorrow, but the day will start off sunny. Then Friday, Saturday, even into Sunday, we've got chances of rainfall and those temperatures fall back down. In the Umpqua Basin, we're at 75 for today, 60 for Friday, Saturday at 62. So again, it's going to be wet there. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we do dry out. Cascade Passes should see a little bit of snow and rain Friday and Saturday, mostly in the 60s, but the 40s for Friday, Saturday. And the Willamette Valley is looking at 73 for today. Should be down even to the high 50s Friday and Saturday, staying wet into Sunday morning. Monday, Tuesday will be dry.